Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking chicken feet. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have the chicken feet, oyster sauce, brown sugar, ginger, garlic, black bean, a scallion, and cornstarch. Now we will fry the chicken feet first before we mix other ingredients. Let's get started. Now our pan is hot now. We're gonna add oil, and we need to fry the chicken feet to make it a little bit brown. We're gonna put our chicken feet now. We'll just pan fry it and wait until it gets brownish a little bit. Now we're gonna mix the ingredients. This time we're gonna use a slow cooker because so the chicken feet will get tender after 3 to 4 hours. I always use slow cooker than pressure cooker. If you have the time to wait, this is the best equipment to use. All right, so we're gonna put our ginger, now our garlic, our oyster sauce. This will be real good. We're gonna put the black bean. And soy sauce, probably 2 to 3 spoons of soy sauce, and then we're gonna add water to it, and we're gonna set the temperature to be cooked in 3 to 4 hours. Now we'll add a little of chili flakes, and then we'll set the temperature to 4 hours. All right, we'll cover it and we'll visit this after 4 hours. Now let's check our chicken feet. Wow, it smells good. We put already our scallion, and now the only thing that is missing is the cornstarch, so to make the sauce a little bit thicker. So this is done. This is our finished product, chicken feet, dim sum style. Please share this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you and have a nice day.